That's the button you have to pull out. I'm going to pry this out from the top. All right, so that top part has to come off right there. This right here has to come off. Just get a screwdriver, pull this down, and it'll pop right out. You can see there's little slides in there. Just fit up in there. Just pop that out with the screwdriver. To get the bottom door panel off, you have to take a Phillips screwdriver. This screw right here, the rest of the panel will just pop off. You have to remove this cup holder, and it's just, you can see on the back, it just has two clips on the back down here and there. And you have to kind of lift up, pull on it, lift up and pull on it from the bottom, and it'll come right out like that. Okay? All right, so you have these two screws. You have a screw here, and a screw here. All right, so this is the button that gives you problems. See that slide right there? And on this side, this right here, you need to sand this down so that this slide goes unimpeded, because sometimes it gets stuck in the back like that. So this is what I'm gonna do. Take this little file these down a little bit. A lot smoother. Okay, so this is what else you need. You need some silicone lubricant. Doesn't necessarily have to be this brand, but this is the key is that this stuff is made for rubber, plastic, metal, wood, and leather, so it's not gonna break down your plastic. All we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little couple drops of this stuff in there, and it should make it all feel better. All right. See how that works. It's smoother. You can hang it up in there. Alright, that's your fix. You just got to put it all back together, and this is the final result. The button no longer sticks. Opens the door. No stick.